In this lesson, I'll show you how you know the version of the command prompt that we use and how you get all information about our system. So I will open the command prompt. So to know the version of the command prompt that we are using, we use the command CMD. So as you see here, we are using this version 6.1 and on. So knowing the version of the command prompt helps us a lot, because some command prompt versions do some commands and some not. So to know the version of the command prompt is important. Another way to know the version of the command prompt is we use the command ver version. So press enter and you see here the version is 6.1 and this is also the same. So this is the way to know the version of our command prompt. So to get all the system information to the command prompt, use a command called systeminfo, and this stands for system information. So press enter. So now it's loading the information, and you go up and you see here gives it all the information: the host name, the operating system name is Microsoft Windows 7, and the version of it, and the manufacturer Microsoft, and all the information: origin date, install date, system boot time, system manufacturer is a Dell PC, and system model, the processor, and all the information gives us here. You can read it and you'll get all the info through this command. And also here the network cards, the Ethernet adapter, the wireless adapter. So this is the way to get the version of the command prompt we are using and to get all the system information to the command prompt.